Hey guys, Deano here, 3-star nomadic, and today I grab a flight to go and check out the Hard Rock Cafe in Kuta. What could go wrong? You bet guys, you gotta check this one out. Unbelievable! Can you take me to the Hard Rock Cafe in Kuta?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I give you 250.
Know where the Hard Rock Cafe is? Don't know?
Yes. Okay, no problem. 200 for you. You go to Kuta here.
Yeah. So you're gonna be on YouTube, you see? You're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be famous on YouTube, mate. Good morning.
Morning, sir. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I have booked a room for today, but I know I'm early.
Under name?
Dean, D-E-A-N.
Ah, yes.
See, I am a 3-star nomadic, but occasionally I go 4-star, and that's what I've done. I just felt like somewhere for the first couple of nights, stay somewhere a bit neater. So here we are at this cool little joint. Got a nice little pool. There's a little bar there. I don't know if it's open at the minute. We are open, I can see a sign. My first bintang, and it's feeling all worth it now. Hey brother, so how do I get to the Hard Rock Cafe Hotel?
That's in Bali actually.
In Bali?
Yeah.
Where am I?
This is Lombok, Kuta Lombok.
I'm on the wrong bloody island! Oh, look at that! Peekaboo! So a bit of rundown on the accommodation. Seems pretty cool. That was outside, just hallway, stairs. Got a lift if you want it. Haven't even looked at the toilet. Just looks pretty neat and tidy. Not too big, not too small. TV's good. I don't know, this place probably has room service and that. I'd imagine it's probably about 80-90 bucks a night. Hey guys, just going to give you a quick heads up on one of the most important parts of travel. An emergency exit plan. We should always know where that is and where we have to go in the case of an emergency. Now on that note, Safety Wing Nomad Insurance, okay? Hats off to you guys. Thank you very much for sponsoring this video today. We really appreciate it here at 3-star nomadic. Now to the young couple who's been asking, what insurance do we use when we go on our long-term travel, which they're about to jet set off on? I've done my research. Safety Wing Nomad Insurance, guys. You can find the link to that in the description of this video here. Safety Wing Nomad Insurance. Big thumbs up from me and really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get back to the video. It's pretty cool out here. Nice balcony. Got a pretty cool little view. Got someone over there. Gonna give it a wave. There you go. See, old mate. There you go. Good on you, buddy. And of course, the beautiful pool down there. But it does look that I have found my way to the crossroads once again of Kuta in Lombok. I don't know which way to go. So I'll just stand here for a while. Hi little man. What are they? Peanuts? Peanut. Cool. So we found ourselves in the middle of a ceremony here. I'll try and find out what it is, but the vibe of it is sort of maybe a funeral. There's lots of people taking footage, so I think they're okay with that. but it's really cool. Or it could just be a rehearsal for something upcoming. So I think they're now settling down for a game of pool and a couple of bevies. Good on them. Oh, hello, how are you? What was that all about?
I love speaking English.
You sure you don't speak English?
Yes, I love speaking English. You speaking Indonesia?
Sedikit.
Sedikit.
So off we go on another trek. So I suppose here we find ourselves in a little bit more local land.
Yes, sir.
But there's one thing that always stays the same. People smile in Asia. And there's lots of people there. That's a lot of smiles. Advertising. Okay. Advertising. If you want an ice cream or something like this, you come here and see me old mate. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. Good on you, Alex. Are you okay to be on YouTube? You can do it. And click. And click. And click. Hey buddy, how are you?
Fine.
Yeah, good, thanks. So it looks like we're into some fish markets down here. And we're out on the beach. So basically, this is one part of Kuta, guys. Not the Kuta where the hard rock is, where I got confused with. I was on the whole wrong island. Take me to Hard Rock Cafe, Kuta. Anyway, that's in Bali. Oh, we're in Lombok. Live. Hey guys! Yay! I'd love to hear a song. Could I hear one song?
I can play.
Or just maybe a little bit. A little bit of song. Little bit of song.
Little bit song.
Like 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, we've got a song coming on here. Is that your microphone? Is that your microphone? Okay. Here we go. Student, yeah.
He can speak English well.
Hey brother, nice to meet you, man. How are ya? How are ya? You good? Good, man.
Hiburmu dengan cerita, hiburmu dengan suara.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, probably not what I expected. It was I thought there'd be a lot more tourists down the beach here. I'm sure they are at some stage, but just so much like locals having fun and parties, and they got everything over there. Hey guys, these are the people of Lombok, man, and probably a lot of these are tourists as well, I suppose. They could have come from different areas of Indonesia, so not everyone goes to Bali. This is really good. I'm gonna say, like, for what I love, probably the beaches aren't as fantastic as some, but they're beautiful, they're unique. I did do some research in this before, and I thought it looked a little bit dry in some sections, and probably some of it will be throughout this, but it's absolutely lush, it's beautiful. I'm just sort of seeing something different here, and I love that. So here we are in the Hollywood Hills with the big sign and the movie stars. just like LA. The drag strip here, we've got all the boys coming down and we're going go on the electric scooter. So you can buy all the hats, you got sunglasses, you got it all down here. Where are we? Kuta Bali? Oh, no. Kuta Lombok. I always get that wrong. Don't know how I got the plane to the wrong place. I've got no idea. So gonna head back inland now, guys, and see what we can see. Run into a little Aussie bar here. Got a bit of the Aussie Rules footy on, sports bar. I think it's called the Circuit. Got the dunnies out the back. Cow, silks. You think it's easy getting ready for a 3-star nomadic outing. It's not. You gotta like do your hat. It's hard work. So who knew there was 2 Kutas? Anyway, go and have a look at Kuta over in Lombok, guys. Time for me to head out on the town. So from Deano, 3-star nomadic, we'll catch you down the track. Oh yeah, try and help us out and subscribe, eh? Cheers.